Hey guys, I'm Graham, one of the sales consultants here at All Play, and I'm down in Kemah at James Foster Park at a playground that we just wrapped up on. I'm going to flip you around and just show you a little bit of what this playground looks like. James Foster Park was dedicated back in 2004 originally with some little Tikes playground equipment. Now 21 years later, they've upgraded their equipment, and here's a look at it. This design is for 5 to 12. Got a good balance of rope climber, some stepping stumps, overhead climbers, some swings across the way over there. Of course, you've got to have a slide. And one of our new edge climbers that has a wood look to it. Thank you, City of Kemah, for your partnership on this project. It turned out fantastic, and can't wait to see the kids out here now that it's open.